Thank you for challenging me on this parenthesis and punctuation theme. So I actually am learning some stuff too. I looked it up and have some more ideas for you. So you're right. When you were talking about adding, some sub-narrative to your story, then yes, you do not have to set it aside with punctuation. However, in that instance, you do not capitalize either. So in this instance, this would not be capitalized. I don't know if it'll let me do it here or not. Okay, you'll have to fix that. But anyway, you don't do, if it's in the middle of a sentence, you just put his name is Gallant, there's no ending punctuation. However, if it is a sentence, wait, let me look at this again. Here, in the middle of a sentence, the surrounding punctuation should be placed outside. Okay. When a complete sentence occurs in parentheses in the middle of a larger sentence, it should neither be capitalized nor end in a period. Okay, so you're fine here. It just should not be capitalized on that one part. Now, the next one, this is different. Okay, let me tell you why. If you took this out, if you took the whole sentence or the whole parentheses out on this one, where is that? No. Okay. So it says, and I had to pick up some of the work he stopped doing since my grandmother had to do so much more. She quit being so anal about the cleaning. Okay? So what happens here is, as long as this is a complete sentence without the parentheses. So if you took out the whole parenthesis, and it was a complete sentence. So let's read that again, okay? My grandmother and I had to pick up some of the work he stopped doing since my great-grandfather had to do so much more. Sorry, when my great-grandmother had to do so much more, she stopped being so anal about the cleaning. Actually, since is kind of one of those combining words. So you either need a comma here, like if you took out the whole parentheses, you would need a comma or a semicolon here, just because if you read the whole sentence, it is not a continuation of the sentence. It's actually like a second sentence. So you don't need to touch anything within the parentheses. It just needs punctuation here. Okay. Let's see, what's this one? Cleaning. As far as my second cousin living in her basement. So maybe take out cleaning. This has to be cleaning. I guess you take away that period there. Now cleaning, you leave this as far as my second living in her basement. Boy, I think here, yeah, you take out this parenthesis. Her name is Leah, by the way. Close the parenthesis. I see what you're saying there. I think you're right. I think you don't have this period right here. I think you need to keep this comma, but get rid of this parenthesis here. And you would close it with one parenthesis and get a period there. Let's see. This file, that looks good. Sorry, I'm taking so long on this. I just want to make sure that we've got it all covered. We call it this instead of saying grandma. She said Emma. Since you closed this with a period over here, and you have a new sentence starting here, then what is inside the parentheses needs to be capitalized and to end in a period within this right here, only because you've set it apart from the sentences around it. So, yeah, period right here. This one is only a period because after this, because you're starting a new sentence. Me still sleeps on the floor. Where is it? Like, the thief ran out of the door passing me. he had been committing a string of home robberies. Okay, so do you see where it's passing me? He had been. That is a totally like different sentence that you want to combine. So you can combine it with a semicolon right here. Or you could say and, something like that, but I think a semicolon would work good there. Since you start with a period right here, this has to be capitalized. It has to have a period because you start a new sentence here. So if it's in the middle of a sentence, it's one kind of punctuation. If it's at the end of a sentence, like you've stopped a sentence and then you've added it, that's a different kind of punctuation. Anyway, if you still have questions after watching this confusing video, just email me. We'll get to the bottom of it. Thanks.